Hello everyone! Welcome back to Talkora English. I'm John.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. We're happy you're learning English with us.
In our last lesson, Emma met her boss.
Today, I'll meet my cowork time.
You'll learn simple English conversations that you can use at work.
Repeat after us and enjoy learning English.
Emma, do you remember meeting your coworkers?
Yes, I was excited.
Why?
Because I didn't know anyone. I wanted to make a good first impression.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way our first day. Hi, you must be Emma. Welcome to the team.
Hi, yes, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Too. I'm John.
It's nice to meet you, John.
Hi, you must be Day.
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, everyone is friendly here. You'll enjoy working with us.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Which department are you joining?
I'm joining the marketing team.
That's great. You'll work with Sarah and David. They're very helpful.
That's wonderful. I'm excited to meet them. Repeat after Emma. I'm excited to meet everyone. Again, to meet everyone. Excellent.
Repeat after John. Welcome to our team.
Very good.
Today's review. Repeat after us.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the team.
I'm excited to meet everyone.
I'm new here.
Could you help me, please?
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Welcome back.
Here is your homework. What's your name? Which department do you work in? Where are you from? What do you enjoy doing?
Write your answers in the comments.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. I'm new here. Could you help me, please?
Yes, of course. We're happy you're here.
I really appreciate it.
I'm excited to meet everyone. Fantastic work today.
Now you know how to meet your coworkers in English.
Remember, every new friendship starts with a simple,
Keep practicing.
"We'll see you in the next lesson."
Bye.